I'm Amy Pack at Homeschool in the Woods. And what I'm going to do today is show you how to use our world maps and US maps and how to navigate your way through them. Now, if you order the combo pack, you're going to end up with 2 zip files that come to you. And double click on those and you're going to have files when you're done here. So what you're going to do is double click on the file, click on Start, and this takes you to a menu. And on this menu, we've got an introduction, we've got a few pages of PDF introductions, we've got options for notebook covers in full color and in black and white, and then we've got ancient maps and modern maps grouped as well, so you can actually print them out as you wish. Now, if you'll see, we have labeled, no labels, no title. That's our options, but I'll show you what that means in just a minute. We're going to bop down here to ancient Egypt, and here's an example of labeled. It has a title, it has labels on the map. However, no labels still gives you a title, but then it allows you to fill it in as you wish. And lastly, no title means you can do whatever you want with this map. You can label it the way you want, whether it could be landmarks of ancient Egypt or whatever, you know, architecture of ancient Egypt, things like that, and have specific things on that particular map. Some of the maps have some extra bonuses to them as well. For example, China has breakdowns of some of the dynasty borders as well, so as you can see here. Or Paul's missionary journeys, we've got some here, along with teacher keys too. So as your children go to fill those in, they've got something to look at for some of these. Now, a nice bonus, well, actually, let's go ahead and head over to the modern maps first. And this is just, again, an example of labeled, no labels, and no title. But some of them do have some extras. For example, here's the Pacific Ocean. We say no borders because the countries can have borders in one of the other maps, and in this one they don't. So just, you've got that additional option here. Now, a big bonus on this is we have over 40 notebooking pages included in here as well. For example, here's a brochure if you want to have the children put together one on a country that you're studying, or there's recipe cards, there's postcards, there's flags, there's a facts page, so there's a flag for every country and a graphic map as well that you can put in and then have them fill out the rest of the information. There's lots of options here with plenty to do. So, all right, so this is the world map. We're going to go ahead and go to the US maps now. And same idea, double click on Start. You've got your introduction. You have your notebook covers and your grouped PDFs. And here, let's say, let's just look at Alabama here. We have the labeled one. Again, it shows all the labels on there. We have no labels, just the title. And we have outlines without. Well, this has the title because it's always going to be Alabama. But the thing is, you have no lines here. So no borders, no anything. You can really still create a graphic of whatever you want. Again, of agriculture, population, city locations, all kinds of things for Alabama. And as we get down further here, we have additional historical maps too. We have colonial America, and the Mitchell map as well. It was another one from that time period. We have growth of the U.S., so you can actually start to see divisions of the years at different time periods, what it might have looked like as the country began to grow. There's physical map, political maps, and then finally there's also every state has a state fact page. So Alabama, here we go. We've got the map up there and some of the information the children would look up, and some illustrations are provided for you. So that's basically it. We also have state flags too as well to include on your state fact sheet. So all the states have their flags. Okay, so that's basically it. You can see there's a variety of ways to use these and those bonuses of all those notebooking pages as well to help you out. So if you like what you've seen here, please like, share, and subscribe. We have a lot of tutorial videos and how-to videos and ways to add some creativity and hands-on to your studies, because we are all about hands-on history here. So make your studies that way. Thanks so much.